Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Handling Cannot Unpack Non-Iterable NoneType Object in Python. Introduction. When working with Python, you may encounter the error message "Cannot unpack non-iterable NoneType object." This error typically occurs when you try to unpack values from an object that is none and not iterable. In this tutorial, we will explore the reasons behind this error and provide solutions to handle it effectively. Error scenario. Let's consider a scenario where this error might occur. In this example, the get_user_details function returns a tuple with user details if the user parameter is not empty. However, if the user parameter is none, the function returns none. Attempting to unpack none into name and age variables will result in the mentioned error. Handling the error. To handle this error, it's essential to check whether the returned value is none before attempting to unpack it. Here's an updated version of the example. By adding a simple conditional check, if user_data is not none, we ensure that we only attempt to unpack the values if the user_data is not none, preventing the error. Alternative approach. You can also use a default value for the get_user_details function to avoid returning none. This way, you always receive a tuple, even if some values are missing. In this version, the get method is used with default values to ensure that the function always returns a tuple, avoiding the cannot unpack non-iterable NoneType object error. Conclusion. Handling the cannot unpack non-iterable NoneType object error involves verifying that the returned value is not none before attempting to unpack it. By incorporating conditional checks or providing default values, you can ensure a more robust and error-resistant code. ChatGPT.